In this video, I'll show you exactly how to automate evergreen content reposting so you can effortlessly keep your content visible, relevant, and engaging over time. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up a system that automatically shares your best content without needing to manually repost all the time. Stick around because I've also got an exclusive free trial offer for you to follow, along with the software I recommend. The first step to automating evergreen content reposting is choosing the right tool. There are plenty of options out there, but after testing several of them, I found the software we'll be using today to be the most reliable. This tool lets you schedule posts, set recurring reposting intervals, and even optimize repost times based on when your audience is most active. You'll never have to worry about manually reposting content again. Once you've signed up for the software, the next thing you'll do is connect your social media accounts. This is pretty simple, and most tools allow you to link Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. With your accounts connected, you can choose which platforms you want to automate your reposts for. Make sure you select the ones where your evergreen content performs best. Now let's dive into setting up the automation itself. Start by picking the content you want to automate. This can be any posts that have performed well in the past or content that is relevant to your audience year-round. It's critical to pick posts that have longevity and remain valuable, which is why we call them evergreen. This means they'll always be useful no matter when you post them. Next, decide on the frequency for your reposting schedule. How often do you want these evergreen pieces to show up again? Some people opt for a repost every month, others choose every few weeks. The key here is not to overdo it. We want to keep your feed fresh, but still make sure your audience sees the content multiple times. With the software, you can set these frequencies with a few clicks. The best part of automating this process is that you can make adjustments based on how each piece of content performs. Many tools will provide analytics, so you can monitor engagement and decide which posts should be reposted more or less frequently. If you're seeing that a certain post is consistently getting more engagement, you can tweak your settings to prioritize it. Once your evergreen content is set up for reposting, there's not much more you need to do. The automation will take care of the rest, and you'll be able to focus on other aspects of your content strategy while still keeping your social media presence active. Before I close off, remember this. Automation is all about saving you time while keeping your content visible. By setting up this evergreen reposting system, you can continue to build your brand, engage your audience, and keep relevant content circulating with minimal effort on your part. To recap, first, you choose your automation software. Then, you connect your accounts and choose your best evergreen content. From there, you set your reposting schedule and let the software handle the rest. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. It's the best way to follow along with this tutorial. The key takeaway: automating evergreen content reposting is a game changer. It saves you time and keeps your content relevant, engaging, and always on your audience's radar. So, make sure to grab the free trial and start automating today.